Guys, Zach here at MarineMax Coco, and check out this boat. This is one of my favorite boats in Sea Ray's fleet right here. This is a 2026 Sea Ray 280 SLX. You've got an amazing ride on this thing, super dry, performance is great. I love everything about this boat. You got it in the horizon hull color here with the white accent up front. You do have a windlass on it. You've got docking lights and a freshwater spray down for your front ladder. Moving back here, you do have fender clips. This thing's got all the bells and whistles on it. You have another freshwater spray down back here and twin 250 Mercuries in the white. So it's a great looking boat on top of a great performing boat. Let's check out the inside real quick. So here we are on the stern of this 280 SLX. First thing I want you to notice is all this room on the swim platform back here. Even with the outboards, you know, you got a nice easy path to go from starboard to port. You do have this large sun pad back here with a built-in cooler. So you pretty much have a whole section to yourself back here. Right here, you've got a place to put your phone, USB for your charger, audio head unit so you can change your volume or your song, and a cup holder. And right here, you've got all your storage for your water toys, your wakeboards, your skis, your tubes, anything like that. That's a perfect storage spot for it. Million more cup holders back here. You do have storage built into the deck. And as you walk into your cockpit, you have this beautiful electric sports tower with your tow eye up top. But when you lower it down, it will give you a little bit of protection even here at the helm, so you can operate it while it's down. You've got deep ergonomic seating throughout the cockpit. It does come with a table and plenty of storage. Under here is your access to all your components down there. Just a ton of room to work if you ever need to switch out a battery or anything like that. Your freshwater fill there. We're over here. This is why I love the SLX, is these seats, your captain, your co-captain seat. You've got, it just slides beautifully, and both of them pivot. Same with your captain's chair. Just a nice, easy slide. Everything feels very sturdy and secure. And right behind it, you've got a little cooler there for your beverages. Again, ton of cup holders throughout this boat in case you're in need of refreshment. At your helm, you do have a digital binnacle for your two Mercury 250s back there with a joystick. You got all your switches here and your twin Simrad displays with your Fusion audio head unit that's flush. Everything looks really sleek. It's just that SLX attention to detail. Right in your head compartment here. Nice spacious head. Plenty of room to use the restroom if you'd like, or plenty of room for storage, just depending on how you boat. Small little compartment there for your phones. In this helm area, you've got a ton more cup holders, wireless chargers, USB inserts, and same at your captain's side. Here at the bow, it's a perfect place to have your sunset cruise. Just a ton of space. All the seating is really nice and sturdy. You've got your armrests there. More USB chargers, more cup holders. You've got LED lights throughout the entire thing. This boat, I just can't say anything bad about it. I love it. You got to check it out for yourself. This boat is available now here at MarineMax Coco, or feel free to give us a call for information at 321-636-3142. Thanks, guys.